What you are looking at on the screen is $56,215.93 passive affiliate commission from one of my Warrior Plus affiliate accounts. But this money did not come from thin air, or we did not print money. All this money came from all these hops. So what are the hops? Hops are the clicks by visitors. Visitors watched our contents just like these videos. They liked our content. The content was helpful. We built trust and rapport using simple information that they are looking for. They loved our approach, they clicked our links, and from these clicks, we made money. And in this video, I'm going to share how you get customers, you get clicks, and how you make money. For our other 20 plus channels, we don't use camera or microphone, and we don't record ourselves because this is not a scalable way to make videos. We use our artificial intelligence software, Epic. Epic and the whole system I'm about to share with you is completely beginner friendly. It can be done by anyone from any experience level, from anywhere on the planet, and this method can be used without a website, without technical knowledge, without a mailing list, and without social media following. Sounds good? Now before we begin, this video was supposed to be a training video for the Epic users. By the way, this software Epic is 100% free. The link is in the description. Go grab it and start using right now. But instead of making it a paid training, we will be uploading this to YouTube and other channels. So if you are watching this video from YouTube or Facebook or any other channel, please give us a like and share this video with your friends, family, social media contacts. Especially share this video on your social media timelines like Facebook and Twitter timelines. This way, not only you, but also your friends, family, and social media contacts will learn how to make money online. The easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. Done? Like and share. And if you subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button. YouTube will notify you when we will upload our next money making video. So let's begin. Epic is an artificial intelligence software. It makes videos from image, links, and texts. And with Epic, you don't need camera, you don't need microphone, you don't need to write script because Epic uses artificial intelligence to turn any text from anywhere on the internet using any of these two buttons and turn it into your own text and your own video script. And from there, go to the audio section, click this button, put your text here, and just one button, and your text will turn into natural sounding voiceover. But that's not all. Epic allows you to make bite-sized video you see on the right-hand side. These sections can be 1 second long to 10 minutes long. You can make videos in small sections, and when you are busy, simply save the campaign, come back later, finish your video, add more sections if you want. When you are ready and happy with your video, simply one click on this render button and your video will be ready in the background. Then you will get an email notification from it. You can download your video and upload it anywhere you want and get visitors, clicks, customers, and sales. By the way, in this method, there is absolutely no selling skill required. In this method, we will be helping customers who are already spending money using their credit card and they have a mindset to get help using their money. We will show you how to find those people and get them to buy using your link. Here is a quick example. I have just taken the screenshot yesterday. This 5-minute crafts video has been watched 10 million times. 10 million views equals approximately $30,000 to $60,000 from AdSense alone, which is completely passive income. And we are not talking about this in this video. We are talking about affiliate earnings. So all this $60,000 here you see from AdSense, this is completely free from YouTube. Okay, now how do we get customers from this using simple videos that takes only 3 to 5 minutes of our times using Epic? So what we normally do is when we watch these kind of videos, we keep watching and watching and we never take any action because most of the time we forget what they have said or what they have shown. So although these videos are interesting, but they never become useful. But we take their ideas, take a tiny piece from this video and turn it into a useful video that people can watch and take action. For an example, bathroom smell. Bathroom is a part of our house. If bathroom smells bad, the house smells bad. This is a common problem. And people who are allergic to this problem, they are ready to spend money on bathroom fragrance, sprays, and other stuff. Okay, now we understand the problem of the customer. What we do is simply take one idea from the video and take screenshots from anywhere on the internet or just make images like this. In fact, we can do it ourselves. And we put these images on Epic and use 3 to 5 minutes of our times and make 30 seconds to 1 minute long video giving only one advice. So the technique here you can see is pretty simple. Puncture the bottom of your toothpaste and put it in your toilet water tank, and this will last long time. When you flush your toilet, this toothpaste fragrance, the minty fragrance, will be all over your bathroom and your house. So bad smell is is gone just like that. Now you can see we could easily explain this using this kind of image screenshot. Okay, now you have made your first video giving one simple advice and published videos as YouTube Shorts, and as you can see, YouTube Shorts get hundreds of thousands if not millions of views. Why? Because YouTube Shorts is a new feature on YouTube, and YouTube is trying their best to make it popular to compete with TikTok, Instagram. These videos will attract hundreds of thousands of viewers who are basically customers. So what do they buy and how can you sell? The step number one is become an Amazon affiliate. It's free to become an Amazon affiliate. Then go and search with something like bathroom air freshener, and you can see in the UAE alone, I found 3,000 results. So there are 3,000 products that you can promote to these customers on viewers, and these products are only about bathroom air freshener. Imagine how many thousands of household items you can promote to them. Now I told you, you're not going to sell. Selling is not important here. What you're going to do is put your affiliate links in the description of your videos if they're published on YouTube, and in your bios if they're published on Instagram and TikTok. And then in your video, politely ask your customers or viewers to click the links in the descriptions, in the first comments, or in the bio. With good content and advice, you have already built a relationship, trust, and rapport with your viewers. So when you ask them to click your links, should they decide to buy, they will do it. That's exactly how we get all these hubs, and these hubs generate money. Now, how can you use this formula to find customers in any niche, any industry, from any product? The secret is title, features, and reviews. So when you go to Amazon, focus on that title and the number of reviews and ratings. If there are a lots of reviews and ratings, it means this product is popular. So the keywords in the title are popular as well, because keywords in the title are the first things that people search on Amazon and they find on Amazon. Then also look at about this item, what these guys are focusing on. It looks like they're focusing on easy to use, long lasting, unique power gel technology, and it fights odor. Finally, go to customer reviews and learn more about customers' complaints, good sides, bad sides, pros, cons customers are talking about. This way you learn about customers' language and the inner pain of customer, that you can focus on your video. Again, your videos will be simply less than 1 minute long, short videos, so you can use them on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, everywhere. One single video will get you customers from everywhere. So here is the summary. You can use any software, you can go manual, you can use camera or microphone if you want. The choice is yours, but we use Epic because we built Epic to make our own life easy. And with Epic, with AI and all the features, making videos is extremely simple and easy. So use Epic and make videos. Epic is free, link is in the description. Publish videos on YouTube, of course on TikTok and Instagram, and Facebook of course. Get customers. Build relationship with the customer with your awesome, helpful content. When customers will buy from your link, you make money. Invest that money and make more videos. Now this time you have some money. Instead of you putting in your time and effort, hire people to make videos for you. Of course, they can use Epic and upload them on YouTube for you, and the videos will again bring customers. You make money, reinvest that money, and have a bigger and bigger income stream. Then you build a bigger business, and then you can buy anything you want. House, car, travel anywhere you want, do whatever you want. That's it for today. Did you like our video? We put a lot of effort on it, so you learn how to make money online. The easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. Like this video and share this video with your friends, family, social media contacts, especially your social media timelines, so everyone else learns the same. They will love you, they will follow you, and eventually they will become your first customers and clients. This is how we make money, and hundreds of thousands of other people make money, and you can do it too. And if you subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button, YouTube will notify you when we will upload our next money making video, and we will see you in the next video.